Okay, let's try this one more time. I was making a video so everybody could see my puppy, which I guess he's almost 2, so he's not quite a puppy anymore. Hey, this is Sammy. Like, maybe if you could see him. He is a German Shepherd Rottweiler Chow mix. And stay. He's almost 2, which I said that. YouTube has been fighting with me this entire time, so I decided to try to upload things from like it instead of making it and then trying to upload it. But it's like if I accidentally touch anything or move or anything like that, it kind of eats it or causes it to freeze. Like it'll upload it, but it freezes it. I also don't know how to delete videos. I can make it private so nobody can see it, so it's deleted to the public, but it annoys me to see it because it freezes and I have these messed up looks on my face. Well, this is me with as much makeup as I'm ever gonna wear. Sometimes I wear it on the bottom, but not usually because it smears and makes me look all icky. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say today. If you want me to say something specific, talk about anything particular, if this actually works, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Bye.